Hi guys, let's start making veg pulao with soya chunks today. Firstly, I'm going to be soaking the soya chunks in boiling water for 15 minutes. Simultaneously, I'm also chopping some onions. I've used shallots. Meanwhile, I've kept the vessel on the gas and I've heated some oil. I've also added 1 tablespoon of ghee, to which I will be then adding khada garam masala of your choice. I've used lots of cumin seeds, jeera. Saute them for a while, then add the chopped onions and vegetables of your choice. I've used frozen vegetables, which is beans, green peas and carrots. Then drain the water from the soya chunks and squeeze them nicely, and then add them to the vegetable mixture. Once you saute them, add in the salt as per taste, then some chili powder, then some coriander powder. I've used the Maggi seasoning. You may skip or use any masala for pulao that comes in a packet. Then I have added the rice. I have not pre-soaked it. It's just washed and drained. You saute the rice well with the vegetables and then add double the water. I've used 4 cups for 2 cups of rice. Taste it and check for seasoning. Add in salt and masala as per taste. Tear in some mint leaves. It brings out great flavor. I forgot to add turmeric, so I've done that. Once you see that the water is evaporated from top, then just put the lid on and keep it on low flame. After 10 minutes, your rice will be ready. Turn off the heat and keep it half covered, and your pulao is fluffy and ready.